not the one. You think that I'm running in place? Y'all really testing my patience. Right before I blow up the spot, I had to get back to the basics. What if my talent is wasted? And see what I'm lacking the basement. Thought since I rap in the basement, but my come up is legend, is greatness. I don't care now, it's pedal to the metal. I can never quit now, I will never settle. Puppet to the game, I'm pulling strings like Geppetto. We in the same game, but I'm on a different level. I passed it. Gotta keep grinding till I'm laid up in the casket. No fake round, but you feeling too plastic. Yeah, y'all feeling too plastic. They say my style crazy, but then it's straight jacket. Wow.
Ako si Lester ng Team Panic, kasama ko yung crew ng Panic. Dito kami sa Tagaytay, sa B2B Carshow. Siyempre kasama rin namin mga kaibigan namin dito, katulad ng Carbonzone. Maraming salamat for having us. Thank you. So plastic.
Yo, nandito kami ngayon sa B2B. B2B. Nandito sa B2B Tagaytay.
Black code. And if you're trying to test me a beast, you gon' need Liam Neeson. The chance that you're taking is flagrant. You're testing your luck. If you think you'll make it out, then you're sadly. But no one's there when you call like you trapped in the Matrix. You need to take a break from it, I think you should take 6. Cause yes, I hold a throne and no one else can replace this. The pain will only go deeper the harder you chase it. You gon' lose yourself with this. Why you still testing my patience? Trying to turn me into something I ain't trying to be. All that hate is a heavy rotation. You gon' lose yourself with testing.